Hello there. So, you want to know how you can sign up for your Ally Bank on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and search for Ally right over here. Once you've done that, simply tap on this application, click on the download icon, and once it is downloaded, you can tap on open. Now, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, let's just wait for it to load up. All you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on setup username and password down here. Once you do that, it's going to ask you have an auto business account. Simply go ahead and enter your date of birth, your SSN, and simply click on continue. Once you do that, they're going to ask you for your email. And finally, once you have entered your email, they're going to send a verification code that you have to re-enter into this application, create new passwords, and that is it. Your account will be ready to use. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit